Have you ever wondered if there's a better way to manage your money than with a traditional bank? In today's digital age, challenger banks like Monzo and Revolut have completely reshaped the financial landscape, offering innovative features, seamless app experiences, and often significantly lower fees. But with so much hype around both, how do you decide which one is truly the best fit for your financial life? That's precisely what we're here to unpack today. We're diving deep into the world of Monzo and Revolut, two titans of the fintech industry, to give you a comprehensive, no-holds-barred comparison. We'll be looking at everything from their core features, pricing structures, and international capabilities, to their customer service and security measures. By the end of this video, you'll have all the information you need to make an informed decision and potentially switch to a banking experience that truly works for you. First up, let's talk about what makes these digital banks so appealing, their core features. Both Monzo and Revolut are designed for the smartphone generation, putting powerful financial tools right at your fingertips. They both offer instant spending notifications, allowing you to track your money in real time, and budgeting tools that categorize your transactions, helping you understand where your money goes. This level of transparency and control is a huge step up from the often opaque statements of traditional banks. One of Monzo's standout features is its pots. These are essentially sub-accounts within your main Monzo account, allowing you to earmark money for specific savings goals, whether it's a new gadget, a holiday, or just your monthly bills. It's an incredibly intuitive way to visualize and manage your savings. Monzo also offers bills pots which can automatically pay your direct debits and standing orders, ensuring you never miss a payment and keeping your main balance clear. Monzo Flex is another interesting offering, providing a flexible way to spread the cost of purchases. They've also ventured into investments and pensions, allowing you to grow your money within the app, and offer loans and overdrafts for eligible customers. For those who still deal with physical cash, Monzo allows cash deposits via PayPoint and UK post offices, and you can also deposit checks by scanning them through the app or by post. Revolut, on the other hand, boasts a more expansive and global feature set. While they also have pockets, similar to Monzo's pots, for saving, Revolut's strength lies in its multi-currency capabilities. You can hold and exchange money in over 30 currencies, making it a dream for frequent travelers or those dealing with international transactions. Beyond basic banking, Revolut offers cryptocurrency trading, stock investing, and even commodities trading directly within the app. They provide travel insurance, purchase protection, and even airport lounge access on their higher-tier plans. Revolut also offers disposable virtual cards for enhanced online security and a RevPoints loyalty program. For businesses, Revolut's offerings are particularly strong, with multi-currency accounts, batch payments, and integrations with accounting software. So, feature for feature, it's clear that both offer a lot, but their focus differs. Monzo leans towards intuitive budgeting, saving, and a strong UK-centric offering with a traditional banking license that provides FSCS protection up to £85,000. Revolut is more about global money management, with a wider array of financial services and a focus on international transactions, though its banking license status can vary by region. In the UK, Revolut was granted a banking license in 2024, but it's still in the process of fully operating as a bank, meaning some funds are currently held in e-money accounts rather than being fully FSCS protected. This is an important distinction to remember. Now, let's talk about the dreaded topic of fees. This is often where challenger banks truly shine compared to their traditional counterparts, but it's crucial to understand the nuances. Both Monzo and Revolut offer free basic accounts. With Monzo's free account, you get unlimited fee-free spending in any currency when abroad. For ATM withdrawals, if Monzo is your main bank account, meaning you meet certain criteria, like a minimum income or direct debits, you get unlimited fee-free withdrawals in the European Economic Area, EEA, and up to £200 every 30 days outside the EEA, with a 3% fee after that. If Monzo isn't your main bank, the fee-free withdrawal limit is £400 every 30 days in the UK or EEA, and still £200 outside the EEA with a 3% fee thereafter. Receiving international payments in euro or other foreign currencies incurs a 1% conversion fee, capped at £1,000. Sending international payments has a variable fee depending on the currency and destination. Revolut's fee structure for its free standard plan is a bit more complex, especially when it comes to international spending and withdrawals. You can spend abroad fee-free on weekdays up to a monthly limit of £1,000. After that, a 0.5% fair usage fee applies. On weekends, a 1% markup is added to currency conversions, regardless of your plan. For ATM withdrawals, you can make up to 5 withdrawals or withdraw £200 per month for free, whichever limit you hit first. After that, a 2% fee applies, with a minimum of £1. Revolut also charges a delivery fee for its physical card, whereas Monzo sends theirs for free. Beyond the free plans, both offer paid tiers with additional benefits and higher limits. Monzo Plus and Premium, for instance, offer higher fee-free ATM withdrawal limits abroad, travel insurance, and other perks, for a monthly fee. Revolut's Plus, Premium, Metal, and Ultra plans offer increasing benefits like higher fee-free currency exchange limits, discounted international transfers, comprehensive travel insurance, and exclusive perks, but these come with a significantly higher monthly cost. When comparing fees, if your primary use is within the UK and occasional travel, Monzo's simpler fee structure for spending abroad might be more appealing. For frequent international travelers or those who regularly send and receive money in multiple currencies, Revolut's paid plans, despite their complexity, can offer better value through higher limits and reduced transaction costs. It really boils down to your individual spending habits and how frequently you engage in international transactions. Next, let's talk about customer service and support. This is an area where digital banks have often faced scrutiny, as the lack of physical branches can sometimes be a concern for users. Monzo generally receives high praise for its in-app chat support, which is available 24/7 for urgent issues, and from 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. for non-urgent queries. They also offer phone support for UK customers during defined hours, which is a significant advantage for those who prefer speaking to a real person, especially in urgent situations. Their help center is comprehensive and easy to navigate. In customer satisfaction surveys, Monzo consistently ranks well, with a high percentage of users saying they would recommend the bank. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.